My name is Dina Lanchero, and I am 6 years old, almost 7.
Okay, today we are going to be practicing the conservation of liquid in the pre-operational stage. Okay, so first I'm going to give you 2 cups, and I'm going to pour some water into them. Okay, now, does this one have more water? Does this cup have more water, or are they the same?
Same.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you to pour this cup of water into this cup. Okay, now, does this cup have more water? Does this cup have more water, or are they the same?
This cup has more water.
Why?
Because it's a bigger cup.
Because it's a bigger cup? Okay. Now, we are going to do a different experiment testing the conservation of numbers also in the pre-operational stage. Okay. So I'm going to set out some alphabets. Yep.
Why would you say that?
Please, it's okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. We got it.
We got it. Just keep getting oranges.
Okay. Now, does this row have more? Does this row have more, or are they the same?
They're the same.
Okay. Can you count how many are in this row and then in this row?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. So, does this row have more? Does this row have more, or are they the same?
Same.
Okay. Okay. Now, does this row have more? Does this row have more? Or
This has more.
Why?
Because this one's stretched out, this one's little.
Okay. Thank you. Good job.
Am I
Okay.
done?
Yep. Now we are going to test the same 2 experiments, but in the concrete operational stage. So can you state your name, please? And your age?
I am Michael Alencio, and I'm 10 years old.
Okay. Go ahead. When you're done.
I am Michael Alencio, and I'm 10 years old.
Okay. Now, we are going to be testing the conservation of liquid in the concrete operational stage. So first, I'm going to give you 2 cups, and I'm going to fill them with water.
Alright.
Okay, so does this cup have more water? Does this cup have more water, or are they the same?
I think they're the same.
So they're the same?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you to pour this cup of water into this cup.
So it doesn't matter what cup we're going to.
This cup, please. Okay. Now, does this cup have more water? Does this cup have more water, or are they the same?
They are the same because that cup was the same as that cup, and you just poured it in that cup. So just because it's a bigger cup doesn't mean it has a bigger amount.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we are going to test the conservation of numbers. But we are going to be doing this in the concrete operational stage.
Yes, we are.
Okay, can you count out loud how many are in each row?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so does this row have more Cheerios? Does this row have more, or are they the same?
They're the same.
Okay. How about now? Does this row have more? Does this row have more, or are they the same?
They're the same because
Why?
it's the same amount. They both have the same amount because they both have 5 in each row. But you just spread them out. So just because they're spread out and stretchy or whatever, doesn't mean they have a bigger amount.
Okay, thank you.